parameter, sir.
Okay.
This meeting is being recorded.
Yeah.
It means giving static value, sir. Static value.
Okay. Don't tell sir. Okay, you can continue your. See, this is the intersection.
Okay.
Same. That is the way you need to continue. Okay.
It means we are giving static input to the server, sir.
Okay.
The types of parameter are, sir, file, date and time, random number, load generator name, XML, group name. These are parameter types. Other types are also there.
Okay.
And the parameterization properties. Parameterization properties means sequential, random, unique, same line as username or same line as password,
Yeah.
whatever we give,
Same
we can
line as other parameter.
select option, other parameter. We can select the
Other
option.
parameter, nothing but that could be anything is fine. It is username
Or password.
or anything. So you may call it as same line as other parameter. What is the same line as some other parameter?
Same line as some other parameter.
Yeah.
If we select any other parameters, like other than username or password, whatever give, we give the file name.
Not correct answer.
That is.
So you not go through the material, only you are telling your own words only. What is performance testing, Srinivas?
Sir, performance testing is in software engineering, sir. Performance testing is used to determine the stability, scalability, reliability, and speed of a software application by giving a particular workloads. Performance testing is generally used to determine the bottlenecks of an application.
Okay.
There are 5 types.
Load runner, how many components? What are there?
Load runner, there are 5 components: Fusion, controller, analyzer, agent process, and load generator, sir.
Okay.
Fusion is used to record the application and helps helps in scripting.
Okay.
By step process.
Okay. Controller.
Controller is used to create the virtual users,
Okay.
and also it is used to test by using a large many number of virtual users. Execute the test.
What is load generator?
Load generator will create load on the applications.
It will generate the load against the application. Okay.
Against the application. Yes.
What is the controller is done, right? Yeah. What is the agent process?
Agent process, it establishes the connection between load generator and controller.
Okay. What is analyzer?
Analyzer used to analyze the results. We can find where is the problem in deep.
Okay.
By drilling down, we can analyze the problem. Where is the actual problem located?
Okay. What is the PT life cycle and what are the roles and responsibilities?
Sir, performance life cycle consists of proof of concept documents, sir. It means it is helps the client to select which tool he can select for a particular application, depending on its time and business hours, number of business hours, number of transactions.
Okay.
Proof of concept is used to for selecting tool, sir. It will help the client to select the particular tool for particular application.
Okay.
And next is test plan, sir.
Okay.
Test plan contains objectives of test, entry criteria, exit criteria. Entry criteria is whenever we are satisfied with the prerequisites, then we can go ahead, sir. Prerequisites means historical data if you have of older application, and if you understand the business flow, then we can go for the next process. Exit criteria means whenever the response time matches with the expected response time, it is called as exit criteria.
Okay.
Then environment, sir. Environment, the shared environment, a dedicated environment, sir.
Okay.
Roles and responsibilities, applications, types of testing, risks and mitigations.
Yeah.
Test plan, sir. NFR means non-functional requirements. Non-functional requirements are peak hours, off-peak hours. Whenever the user don't know about the application, but if it is in production, or if he wants to start the application, if he did not have any data, non-functional requirement data, we have to take the data by using history of the other applications, or we can take data from used applications.
Okay.
Then workload profile, sir. Workload profile means it gives the exact number of it gives a scenario of
Yeah. Next.
number of users by number of transactions, sir. It gives.
Okay. The next. Script recording enhancements.
The script recording enhancement.
Yes.
And
Like
analysis.
design.
Results and analysis, sir.
Okay.
Design.
Okay, good. Next, Prashanti.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, hi. What is parameterization? What are the types and properties?
Hello.
I'm not asking to share.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Am I sharing?
No. Sorry, Srinivas, you shared, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can open. Okay, no problem. Continue, Prashanti.
Yes, Sridhar.
Yeah. What is parameterization and what are the properties and types?
Yeah, parameterization is a static input to the server. Whatever we are entering through the keyboard, those values we should be parameterized. And the types are like file, date and type, group name, load generator name, iteration number, unique number, table, XML, and user ID. I think.
Okay.
Most of the time we use file type only, because normally we used to get numbers and alphabets only, no, like.
Okay.
So most of the time we use file type only.
Okay.
And rarely we use date and time.
Okay. Properties.
And the properties are a sequential, random, unique, each iteration, each occurrence, and once, and then same line as other parameter.
Okay. What is the sequential each iteration?
Sequential means every user has to pick the first data point.
Okay. Each iteration.
Each iteration means the values update
Every iteration.
on every iteration, yes.
Yeah. What is the unique ones?
Unique ones means like one and one mapping. One to one mapping, yes.
Okay. What is the performance testing life cycle?
Performance testing life cycle, it includes like POC, proof of concept document, test plan,
Okay.
workload profile,
Okay.
non-functional requirements,
Okay.
and then test data preparation,
Okay.
recording and enhancement, scenario design,
Okay.
analysis and reporting, and then monitoring. Yes, monitoring. That's all.
Okay. What are the non-functional requirements?
Non-functional requirements is nothing but it contains like critical business transactions in the application, expected average response time, peak hours, transactions per day, half peak hours. Those comes to non-functional requirements. Then like CPU memory utilization, pacing,
Okay.
heap
Who
memory.
will provide this all? Non-functional.
Client.
Maybe client not provided.
Client
What
will.
is your approach?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't
What
know.
is test plan?
What is test plan? Test plan includes like objectives of test. Like, I'm sorry, transactions.
You are not prepared.
I'm sorry. Yeah. Test plan, I'm unable to recollect.
Okay. How many components load runner?
Like, can I tell in a normal way? Like,
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah.
Test plan, it's like a workload model. I can tell like serial number, like objectives and script scenarios. What are the scenarios are there? We need to list it down, and transaction names we need to list it down. And SLA client will provide, no? So that SLA, and then number of users, think time, pacing. Like the table I remembered, but I don't know in a theoretical way.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. What is performance testing?
Performance testing to test the application behavior under various conditions, like scalability, reliability. I mean,
Okay.
It serves to validate and verify other quality attributes of system. And then
Okay. Okay, good. Prashanti, you can prepare very well again. Okay. Next step.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Jafar?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is parameterization? What are the properties and types?
Okay, sir. Sir, what are the values are given entering through keyboard, sir? That those values are called parameterization.
Okay.
And types are file and data bar, database numbers, group names, and Excel, complex, this, etc. That's it, sir.
Okay.
Last day, what's the types and
Yeah. Yeah.
types are also next sequence, unique, random, each iteration, each occurrence,
Okay.
and once
Okay. What is the random?
random, every user can pick the point randomly.
Okay, you use a pick the random. What is same line as some other parameter?
Same
Line as some other parameter. Parameter.
we are using dependent values.
Yes, depending value. Yeah.
Depending value.
Yeah. What are the how many components load runner? What are there?
Components, sir.
Yeah.
There are 5 components, sir. Virtual user generator, the controller, analyzer, agent process, and load generator.
Okay, could you explain for all?
Okay, sir. Virtual user generator, recording the business flow and generate the
Script statement
recording.
Yeah.
Statement, sir. Next, controller, designing the simulation in multiple users' point of view.
Okay.
Next, analyzer, analyzing the results
To find out the bottlenecks.
Next, agent process.
Okay.
Establish a communication connection between load generator and controller.
Okay.
Next, load generator, generating the load against the application.
Okay. So, how many tools in market in perform testing?
There are 5 tools, sir. Load generator, JMeter, Neogen, uh, Loggen, and Soyasta.
Okay.
So, okay.
I think PT life cycle, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me. Points you can tell me just.
Just points, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. The first point, POC, proof of concept, sir. Which means under the business flow, we want to check which tool is suitable for application and which protocol is suitable for application. That all are proof of concept.
Okay.
Next,
Non-functional.
non-functional requirements, sir. It contains CBT, like means critical business transactions, which means wherever the critical business transaction we want to test. Sir. Next one, and the average response time, which means round trip of request and the response. Sir.
Okay.
And peak hours and half peak hours. Peak hours means load will be more. Half peak hours, the load will be less.
Okay.
And final, which page mostly access the user, and the system. These are all gathered from the client.
Maybe if not, client doesn't know these all things.
If client doesn't know anything about the application in production, the production means live. Next point is the client doesn't know application. The application not in production.
Okay.
Next, the client doesn't know anything about application. The application is not in production, and we don't have any competition.
Okay. Okay. Okay, good, Jafar. Actually, he's joined very late, but he's a good, he get good knowledge. Okay, Jafar. Next, Masan. Yeah, Masan. PT life cycle. Masan.
నేను కొంచెం ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వలేదు టుమారో చెప్తారన్నా కొంచెం వర్క్ ఉంది.
So what you know, you can tell me. If you prepare not, that is not matter. Just I'm asking daily class what you know, you can explain.
Performance test life cycle have POC document, test plan, non-functional requirement, workload profile, recording and enhancements, test plan preparation, scenario design and execution, analysis, reporting and recommendations, monitoring and analysis.
Hello? Masan?
Yeah.
What are the parameter properties?
Parameter properties. File date and time.
Properties I'm asking.
Properties. Properties. Sequential, random, once. Same line as a other parameter.
What is sequential ones?
Sequential.
Masan, what is this? See, Jafar joined in front of you just a few days back only.
Yes, sir.
Good for all things, but I'm not explained for that POC concept, PT life cycle also. But his own is prepared. But you are there in 20 days or before only. But you are not giving proper answers, one answer also.
Prepare.
This is not good. Next time, don't repeat.
Okay.
Next. Ashwani?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many components load runner? What are there?
5 components.
Okay.
In load runner, have 5 components. One Vugen, load generator, controller, enriser, agent, process.
Okay. What is Vugen?
Vugen, it will use record the script and generate the script. It's called as Vugen.
Okay.
Controller, it executes the scenario and it design the scenario and execute the
Multiple
script is singular multiple users is called as controller.
Okay. What is the agent process? Yeah, analyzer.
Analyzer is used to analyze the results to help to drill down bottle.
Drill down the bottleneck. Okay. Yeah. Next. What is load generator?
Agent process. What
Load
is
generator.
load generator? Generate the load generator, the application.
Okay. What is the agent process?
Establishing the connection between controller to load generator.
Okay. What are the properties? Parameter properties?
Sequential, random, once.
Unique.
Unique.
Unique each iteration.
Each iteration, each occurrence, once same line as some other parameter.
Okay. What is the sequential each iteration?
Always it will pick the first data point only and any update value.
Okay. What is the random?
It will pick any data point, any point, anywhere, any.
Unique.
It will one to one step.
Okay.
It will pick
one to one mapping. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, 1 to 1. Sorry.
Okay. Next, what is the PT life cycle?
PT life cycle, POC document.
Okay.
Hello. POC.
Order, no problem. Anything is fine.
POC, non-functional, require non-functional.
Okay.
Workload profile, test data preparation, analysis regarding and applications, monitoring and analyze, test plan.
Okay.
POC. Once you receive the application, try to understand the architecture, what you which protocol
Suitable for
which
this application.
protocol is it to application and which hello?
Yeah. Continue.
Which protocol is used to application and which tool is suitable for the application.
Okay, what is non-functional requirements?
Non-functional requirements, peak hours, off peak hours, CPU and memory.
Okay. Test plan?
Test plan, occupation of test, script of test.
Yeah, objective scope. What kind of testings?
Yes, what kind of testing
Good.
approach?
You can prepare very well again. Okay, next time. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Narayana?
Yeah.
Yeah. If client doesn't know anything application production, then what is your approach?
Yeah. First of all, your client does not apply first things. One need client does not know application is production.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got a historical data using the uh, analytical tools. Then you are using for the what are the peak hours, what are the visitors hours, what are the high visit hours, or who is getting the application mostly using that one you are everything is getting from the historical data. So if the historical data using for your application is where you can use that one heavily. Peak hours, non-peak, half peak hours, and what are the transactions per day. So everything is fine. Second one is second one is a application does not know, but production is not there. So this is in their conditions. The you get the computer statics using the internet utilities, internet traffic utilities. So these kind of also using the understand the what are the visitors we are using this application, how much of the how much of load that applications, and peak hours, non-peak hours we are getting from that one. Last one is application does not know and not in productions.